Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to draw cute candy corn. I am going to use this marker, and I'm going to use these other markers to color it in. So this is actually the first video I'm using markers, so let's like to color. So let's try it out. Right now I'm going to go in, and I am going to make a round triangle. Imagine like a round marshmallow, basically. And then a round eye over here, a round eye over here. I'm going to throw a mark here, almost like a check mark, and I'm going to leave that open for a highlight. So I'm going to do the same on the other one. Oh, whoops, I'm going to actually draw a smiley face on here. Well, you know, I'm actually going to draw that. Yeah, I'll draw it before. So next thing I'm going to do is I am going to grab the orange, and this is a Crayola brand marker. I'm going to grab the orange, and I am going to create a line over here. And I am going to be careful right here because the black might run if I touch it. So I have to be real careful. Make sure to let it dry pretty well. And I am going to just go right here through the middle section first. And I'm going to move my hand relatively quick, just so I want to keep this whole part. The goal is to put it all down while it's moist, you know, while the whole area is moist. Okay, actually, the black is dried pretty well. It's not coming off, hardly. Alright, we have that section. Now I'm going to grab the yellow, and I am going to put a line over here, line over here. That one I believe will run, so I have to be careful. And I am going to go through the middle section first, and then try to color up to the edge. So I'm going to try kind of not to touch the black or the orange over here until I have to, till the very end, until I have to butt up right against it, because it seems like this one is making it run, so I have to be real careful. See, it's a little bit harder to see. I noticed the yellow is harder to see than the orange. Whew. And that's pretty much it. That is a cute candy corn. I hope that was easy for you to follow. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, hit that thumbs up. Also, if you like cute stuff, I am going to put a free ebook for drawing cute stuff in the description. So check that out. I am going to put that in there. It's totally free. You can download it. Check that out in the description. I'll talk to you guys soon.